Easy Crew back once again with another video, and today I was going through a couple of my previous works, i.e. Jar Works. And for those of you who don't know what Jar Works is, it's a track that was on one of my science EPs that came out on Planet Moo. It's a jungle drum and bass track with tons of edits and stuff in it. So I just wanted to let you know, i.e. Jar Works, and went through the renoise file, and there's so many trade secrets that I have in that song. It's one of my finest moments in production. I play this song over and over again, and it gets reloaded so many times, you know, every time, because there's so many different edits and skills in it. And today I wanted to share that with you guys and break it down so you guys can have a look at the renoise song, and also with the prompts as well that come up on the screen to give you an idea and insight into what goes into this track. There's over 50 samples, different instruments if you like, in this track, and I broke it down using pitch effects and also compressor settings, which I'm going to share with you guys today, and give you a tour around, showing you basic levels, etc., so you can get your head around it. I hope you enjoy the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe if you like to see more videos like this. Peace out.
I'm on a step up. Killing another sound. I'm on a step up.